Right. So after talking about intelligence, we want to know what artificial intelligence is. So John McCarthy here is we would call it father of AI. Okay, even though Alan Turing started with the question, but John McCarthy does a lot of work defining it. So he said AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. However, with many definitions, none actually mention what are the criteria that makes a machine intelligent. Up until quite maybe 10 years ago, sometime like that, they came up with these four characteristics. So for a machine to be intelligent, they need to be able to think humanly, think rationally, act humanly, and act rationally as well. So if they manage to do all this, then we could say that that machine um, possess the highest level of artificial intelligence. There are a lot of applications in AI, but these are the six major branches. So we have expert systems. So this is like decision-making system. You maybe ask questions and then you answer, and then they will give you a decision. So maybe if application wise for medical systems, so you put in your symptoms and it will guess what is the condition that you're having. Then robotics, I'm sure you know robotics. There's a lot of examples like robot vacuum and all that. And then we have machine learning, which I will talk more about later on, neural network, fuzzy logic, as well as natural language processing.